What's that in the Gulf of America? Let's talk about it. It's Tiffany's content, and I'm going to take you through the storms, the lightning and thunderstorms that we have in the Gulf of America, and it is sprucing up some major storms, heavy rainfall, and flash flooding. We're going to talk about that. I warned you last week that there was some storms and some waves sprucing up in that Gulf of America, and you can see it coming all the way from Texas on over to Florida and all the way up the East Coast. Okay, we're talking a slow moving frontal boundary that is trying to pick up and produce a tropical wave. Right now, there is no spin in there because there is a lot of wind shear. But let me tell you something, it is producing a lot of heavy rainfall, lightning, thunderstorms, and also flash flooding. Okay, we're going to talk about that. There's a lot of marine watches out there. You're going to see that. A lot of the boating and everything has been on halt for a lot of those Gulf Coast states. So you want to make sure that you're checking your local listings. Okay, it is definitely a frontal boundary that is moving through the Gulf of America and trying to head to Florida and out through the Atlantic. But you can see that here on the weather.gov that is producing a lot of heavy rain, thunderstorms, and flash flooding. Okay, so let me tell you something. That Gulf of America is trying to have heavy rainfall and cool down while the north is taking on a lot of heat. And we're going to talk about that as well. But you can see the amount of rainfall in the next few days. And let me tell you something. I have a feeling that this afternoon, tomorrow, this map will change to even more red in that Gulf of America, producing more heavy rainfall and storms. You're going to see that there's already a flash flood warning and risk from that frontal boundary that's trying to move on through. And it's definitely a high enough risk for them to, have alerts and warnings out there. And you can see that north is on fire. Okay, it's hot up there. We have record breaking temperatures. Okay, you're going to see that on this map here. You're going to see that all of the pink dots is passing the record, breaking the record. Okay, and the orange is right at record temperatures. Okay, but you see a lot of pink dots that's breaking record temperatures. You're going to see 104, 101 in certain areas up there up north. It is definitely hot, producing up some storms over there in Montana, definitely over there in North Dakota, South Dakota, and even trying to come over to the Minnesota and Midwest. Okay, so Wisconsin even see some. But let's take a look at hurricane season over here. Okay, on the Pacific side, you have a lot of things producing. I'm going to show you that. It's about 5 storms that's trying to take place right now. 90% chance, 60% chance, and 40% chances for development, okay, in the next 7 days. So we're going to keep an eye out on that for you. I will show you that just momentarily. You're going to see all this in the ring of fire. Just take a look. 96E, okay? Then you have another one. You have disturbance 4 out there. Then you have another one, okay? You have Invest 91C, okay? I forgot about the names that's going to be coming up. And then you have Invest 90C. So you have a lot of things under investigations, okay? So make sure you stand tuned to Tiffany's content. I'm going to keep you updated. It is Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.